Welcome to Bali.
Hello, welcome to Mumus. Today we have the special promo for the tacos. All you can eat only 150.
Welcome to Bali. Wow. Hello.
Hello,
Welcome
how are
to
you?
Bali. Oh, first time come to Bali? 30 times.
Hello, welcome to Bali.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how they are searching at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. And today I will make walking tour, start from the north part on Legian Street until to the south area on Raya Legian Street. Okay, so if you want to know how they are searching right there at the moment, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, all we are fine. Okay guys, today I will make video in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. And over this today start from the junction on Melasti Street. Let me show you around here. Yeah, this is Raya Legian Street over there. This is Melasti Street. And I will make video at the south of Raya Legian Street. Let me show you how busy in Legian Bali today. Actually, hello, how are you? Actually, over there is still Royal Legian Street, but we make video at the south area on Royal Legian Street. And today on 11th of August 2026 on 6 p.m. Let me show you how busy Legian Bali in the afternoon today. Yeah, future is over there is good. Wow, not really busy, isn't it? The weather is just so beautiful today. So clear and so blue sky. It's quiet, maybe there is a lot of tourists go to the beach to see the sunset. But we hope together we will see a lot of tourists on Royal Legian Street in the afternoon, 6 p.m. on 11th of August 2026. Oh yeah, I was gonna say thank you very much for Sam and Aaron. Yesterday you give me a gift on YouTube. I really appreciate it. And thank you for watching my video. Yeah, I'm gonna say sorry because my English is not really good, but I will improve my English step by step. Wow, busy. Hello, how are you? Wow, tattoo studio. Yeah, this is Raya Legian Street, the most legend area in Legian Bali before the pandemic. See, futurists, they are doing shopping here. That's good. Wow, that's wrong way. Yeah, thank you for Sam and Aaron from South Australia. Across the street at the restaurant. Yeah, future is over there. That's good. This painting shop. Yeah, as we know together, Raya Legian Street is very famous for shopping, and there's always a lot of tourists. They are doing shopping in this area. That was before the pandemic. After the pandemic, everything is changed. Wow, future is in this restaurant. Hello. Wow, quite busy, isn't it? It's inside. Future is over there. That's good. Also across the street left side. Wow, empty. Let's cross the street and let's see how busy at the restaurant across the street. Halo, rame mas?
Ya,
Rame? Ada?
ada aja.
Iya.
Live streaming nih.
Hah?
Live streaming.
Untuk YouTube saya, konten YouTube. Boleh masuk?
Boleh, boleh.
Okay, there is a restaurant. It's on Royal Legian Street. Let me show you what they're selling here. This is the menu. So you can screenshot if you want to know the menu on this restaurant. This restaurant called Achonk. Yeah. Buy one, get one. Buy two, get one. Sorry. Thank you, Mas. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. There's the bus. Big party over there. Wow. Okay, let's cross the street again. Wow, shopping, brother. Made in Bali. Yeah, they're selling like handmade, beautiful t-shirt over there. You see, one way. Bloody wanker. Too many bloody wanker. Hello, G'day, mate. Yes, mate, for YouTube. Hello, brother.
Hello.
Welcome to Bali. Ah, you beautiful smile. That's good. Happy people. Yeah, let's keep continue walking on Raya Legian Street. Really sad. Actually, in this area is always busy, but today it's a bit quiet, isn't it? Yeah, if you know together, Raya Legian Street is very famous for shopping actually. A lot of tourists, they are walk around on the footpath and they are doing shopping. This is happening before the pandemic. Always full in this area. But I'm gonna say like this month is getting better compared with the last month because peak season is starting now. Right? No worries, mate. It's easy. Kami kayak Kumano? Ito pala.
Kanya naman.
Iya. Bob, kumadura. Oh, yeah, okay. This is Momo's Legian. Wow. It's quite busy inside over there. It's good. Momo's Legian. Looks so busy inside. Yeah, Let me introduce my wife here, working here.
Oh, hi.
Second
I'm
wife.
Lucy here. No, but I'm so sorry. It's just a joke.
Okay, let me know about the momos when this open because like you quite new.
Hello, welcome to Momo's. Today we have the special promo for the tacos. All you can eat only 150. Maybe see you today.
150. That's
Yes,
good price.
All you can eat.
But all you can eat.
Yes.
Wow,
Of course.
that's just very cheap. Like buffet at Momo's Legian.
Yes.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. Wow. 150, 15 bucks. You can have everything there. It's good. Wow. Across the street. A lot of tourists over there. See? 150. All you can eat today at Momo's Legian. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Raya Legian Street. Maybe we will see more tourists over there. Wow, this restaurant, ethnic restaurant. Wow, pure street inside, but not really busy yet. Hello, welcome to Bali. Wow, they look so happy. It's good. Wow, some loud music beside me, so I have to talk louder than the music. The music is quite strong over there at the restaurant. Yeah, let's keep walking on Raya Legian Street and let's see together how busy in this area today. Young people also in Legian Bali now.
He said what? He said what?
More and more tourists stay in Kuta Bali even they are young, because usually young people, young tourists, they are moved to Achonk Bali. Now I'm really happy because I can see young tourists also stay in this area. They're just so good. Let's cross the street. Let's see about in this area. Hello.
Hello,
Welcome
how are
to
you?
Bali.
Oh my
All good. Wow, they look so happy. I'm really happy too. I see them, they are loving, they are happy, I'm happy too, that's for sure. Okay, let's keep continue walking on Raya Legian Street. They are selling so much stuff, so beautiful stuff. Hello, how are you? Wow. Let's cross street again. Because at the front there is a German restaurant and also a recommended restaurant. We call Mama's Restaurant. Wow, features inside over there is good. Not bad. Hello, welcome to Bali. Where do you come from? Oh, first time come to Bali? 30 times. So easy for you to fly to Bali. No, for us to Australia is so hard. Enjoy your holiday, yeah? Sorry. So you always stay in Legian area? Where do you stay?
Kuta, Candidasa.
Oh, Candidasa.
Yeah.
Nice and very quiet over there. Candidasa is very beautiful, eh?
Very beautiful, quiet.
Quiet, yeah. Woo. Thank you. Have a good day, eh? Wow, they're really happy they come from South Australia. Sam and Aaron also from there. This is Mama's Restaurant, German restaurant and very recommended. This is my friend, good friend, boss. He is the boss. Wow, busy inside, that's good. A lot of tourists were having lunch, dinner, early dinner. See, wow, that's good. Wow, some loud music again. They're just so nice. If I turn right, there's the way to go to Banasari. This is Banasari Street over there. Wow, looks so busy. That's a cross street first. Now we can see more and more tourists in this area, isn't it? That's good. That's just really good. You see, cross street. Hello. Hello, boss.
Hello.
How are you, boss?
Hello.
Did I mind? They happy. That's good. I love it. Wow. Another loud music. Big party. You see? At the restaurant. Wow, quite busy over there. It's good. Woohoo! Welcome to Bali. Iday, mate. Aussie, Aussie, Aussie. Enjoy your holiday. They look so happy. It's good. Love it. Yeah, but sorry, this also the music is so loud over there, so I have to talk louder than the music. If not, it's gonna be copyright. Hey, wow, eateries at the restaurant. Ooh, early dinner. That's good. Yeah, it's the lightning is not really strong enough now to make a video, to record the video, because it's quite dark now. So what do you think in this area? Not so bad, isn't it? Step by step it's getting busier. That's just really good. Let's keep continue walking on Raya Legian Street. Hello. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Give me 5, brother. Woohoo.
See you on YouTube.
Yeah, thank you. Oh, really? See you on YouTube, mate. He told me he see me on YouTube. Halo, Dek. Apa kabar? Ini buka apa sebenarnya, Dek? Buka apa sekarang? Oh, belum ya? Oh. Kasih ya. Wow, some loud music again. Shisha. Wow. Fast, 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 fast. Go, go, go. Woohoo. Yeah, loud music over there. Woohoo. Let's walk a little bit more. Let's do exercise. Yeah, music everywhere now. Hello. Welcome to Bali. Okay guys, so this is our day today in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. Another 300 meters over there. This is ground zero, but I will make video until here. Okay, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is for people around the world, they are missing Bali and they want to know the update session at the moment in Legian Bali on Raya Legian Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new session in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali Travel Vlog. Thank you so much for watching my video and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Dark. Now it's dark.